Hello YouTube, Computer Kid 1416 here, and today we're going to be looking at the second camcorder I owned. Unfortunately, the first one I owned was a VHS camcorder my parents gave me. I don't know what happened to it. But anyway, this is a Samsung MiniDV Camcorder, 20x Optical Zoom. It's got MPEG-4 movie clips. It does have a memory card slot. Universal Serial Bus 2.0, multi-language, and memory stick. It's a model number SCD353 MiniDV. It's the battery for it. It's plugged in right now because it was dead when I found it. It's a menu button, record, switch from camera to playback. I'll demonstrate that in a minute. Viewfinder that pops out like that, and you can also change the like the blurriness of the picture in the viewfinder. It's black and white. By the way, I got this as my 10th birthday present 4 years ago. I forgot to mention that. Now, the tape cover actually popped off. Now, I actually need you guys' help here. It's got a problem. Now, whenever you put a tape in there, like this, I've tried it with many tapes, and put it back in, watch what happens. I'll kind of zoom in a little bit, come in a little bit just so you guys can see kind of the inside. Maybe you can try to figure it out. It just pops right out. I have no idea why that does that, and I wish I could fix it somehow. But I guess I could just get a memory stick if I really wanted to use it. Use a lens. Don't know what that is exactly. S-video out. The bottom, it's got a tripod connector, memory stick slot, and it just turned on. I'm going to turn it off until I'm done. I'm looking at it. It's a DV port. I never understood exactly what that was for. Actually, I think it's it's a FireWire port. Sorry about that. USB, which never worked for some reason. And it was never compatible with my computer. AV out. Microphone in. And then when you open it, let me show you. Easy key, which is, I don't know exactly what that did. I was just going to easy feature or something like that. There's buttons here, rewind, fast forward, play, pause, stop. Open it up. Now it turns around so people can see like what's being filmed to them, which is kind of nice, but unfortunately it doesn't work anymore. It doesn't flip around. It just stays like normal. It's got a display button, macro / PB zoom, switch between tape and memory card, and color night shutter, which is a digital light. And by digital I mean it's not a physical light. It's like it's like a fake light kind of. So that's the memory card slot again. I'm thinking about getting a memory card for it, a cheap, $10 memory card off eBay. And that's one reason I placed it with the flip, is because I could not take having to import that tape each time, having to watch the whole thing. And because that had popped off. Okay, so let's turn it on real quick. Oh yeah, I forgot. I showed the menu already. I never showed the photo button, volume, and the tape eject. This is zoom. Open it up. Let's turn it on. Keeps flashing no tape. And one reason I want to get a memory card for it is because this is the closest I have to a webcam right now. And if I ever want to do a webcam video or something, like a webcam chat with somebody, I would have to use this, except I wouldn't want that to be flashing no tape. What I could do is just plug it in my capture card using the output. Let me hold it like it's supposed to go, and yeah, here it is. There's that. kind of interesting is you can actually set it to go past the optical zoom and change to a digital zoom. That's what I have it set on now. Let's go to the menu. You can't really see that, but it says camera. It's actually pretty clear. Yeah, it's just the settings there. It's a very clear screen, in fact. So, I would make a sample video or something, but like I said, I have no tape or memory card. Look, I have a tape, but it doesn't work. Playback, not much to show, because it, like I said, there's no tape or memory card. Now let me see if I can try to get the camera to go into the viewfinder. If I can't, I'll just stop here. So if I don't end up doing that, then I'll see you guys next time. Okay guys, this is the best I can get to be looking in the viewfinder with the camera. As you can see, it's black and white. Playback's just a blank screen. So yeah, that's it. So, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.